Good afternoon and welcome back to not my shop. I'm up here at my dad's because what I've got was too big to fit in my shop. So before I show you that, I would like to welcome all the new subscribers. We're on a growth spurt again. Thank you very much, and thank you to all the returning viewers of the channel. It really does mean a lot and I am very grateful. So when I made the comment in the last video, working at the shop, that's exactly what I'm doing. And this is my latest project. It is a 25-foot deck boat. The original stripe had faded and it had a white and gold pinstripe to run along the bottom of the green. So I prepped everything, got it sanded, and I sprayed the green this morning. Once the green or the clear coat over the green is dry, then I'm going to come back, sand it, and lay out the white and gold or pewter pinstripes, and they'll come all the way down the boat. And then when they get right here where you got the little dip, they'll be kind of like an S shape here. So, but let's look. You can see that's a good shine in that boat, like glass. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna run down to my shop and put on the new mud flaps that came. I got me a set of America mud flaps for the dually. So it's really cool. They're like big truck flaps, but they've got the image of an American flag cut out in them and out of stainless, and then I got it in red to kind of match my truck. So that's it for this. Once I'm done with laying out the stripes on here, I'll make sure to include a picture of that once it's done so you can see the finished product. But let's get on down there and put the mud flaps on my truck, and then I'm gonna go home and fire up the grill. The girls want barbecue chicken wings, so we're gonna barbecue some wings on the grill since it's a beautiful sunny day after our visit from Ian. I hope everybody's doing well and everybody can or start to get back to normal. I know it's a lot. Prayers go out to the people in South Carolina and Florida. I hope everything gets back to normal for you sooner than later, because we all need to get back to our routines. So thank you for tuning into the first part. Let's get on down there and put the mud flaps on, and we'll see what they look like. All right, let's do it. All right, here we are back down at the shop. Got the truck sitting here. I've got the mud flap up here. It's pretty cool. And this is, I'll put the name of the company down there if you want to get a set for your truck or whatever. But it's really cool. American flag, America. So anyway, I've got to cut my pattern, drill 3 holes in here, and mount it to that. What's really cool is they send you a template for your truck, year specific, and all you do is transfer the holes from the pattern to the mud flap, and right here we'll show you, and it uses the factory holes. I got 1, 2, and 3, so it uses those factory holes to mount it. So this shouldn't take long, and I can get back over there and fire up the grill. I'm not going to video this, it's self-explanatory, but let me get this done, and once I'm done, we'll do a little walk around and let you see them on the truck. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be back shortly. All right, here we are. We've got the mud flaps installed on the truck. Pretty simple. Took me about 30 minutes to do it. I could still use the original hardware. So, but that's what it looks like. So I'm good. They're pretty straight on the back. They don't look uneven. So that's it. I am done with this. I'm gonna get over there and start cooking, and then hopefully I can get back over here to the shop and get back on my M, and possibly later on this week, as soon as I'm done with the boat, I'll rebuild or make a new toolbar for the Super C. So stay tuned for those videos coming, and as always, thank you for your time, and we'll see you soon. Have a good afternoon.